At dawn, the completed map pointed Elian toward Blackpine Forest. The forest stretched farther than he could see. Somewhere beneath those trees, the stranger's trail continued. He left the tower before the weather could close the road. Fresh tracks showed that someone had passed this way recently. The cloth matched the figure he had seen from the tower. Blackpine swallowed the morning light almost at once. Elian followed the narrow trail beneath the dark canopy. The stranger's trail was still fresh. Every mark pulled him farther from the safety of the road. Something moved nearby, but it was gone before he could see it. The forest seemed to hide more than one traveler. His father's notes warned that the northern trail was no longer safe. Then the trees opened around a forgotten research camp. The camp had once been used to study the routes through Blackpine. Elian entered carefully, unsure who had left it behind. The tools were old, but the camp still held useful answers. One symbol proved his father had worked here. The discovery turned the abandoned camp into a message. Two routes crossed the forest, the river below and the ridge above. The river route was shorter, but the warning made it uncertain. The old northern trail was no longer safe.
To catch the stranger, Elian chose the faster route.
The river trail began quietly beside the water. At first, the path seemed easy enough. Then he found tracks far larger than any person's. Claw marks reached high above his head. Something powerful had searched the area for food. The feeding signs were fresh. Elian understood that a large bear was nearby. His father's note said, not to let fear choose the first movement. A brown bear stepped onto the river trail. The bear stood between Elian and the way back. He was frightened, but he did not run. The bear was guarding its feeding area, not hunting him. Elian turned slightly and gave the animal space. Then a dry branch snapped beneath his boot. The bear rose to see him more clearly. By moving calmly, Elian left the bear's territory without a chase. The safer route climbed high above the river. Elian changed direction and headed uphill. The ridge was harder, but it kept him away from the bear. Rain reached the ridge before he did. The storm gave him another reason not to stop. He waited only long enough for the heaviest rain to pass. His calm decision had carried him safely away. Then another movement caught his attention. The stranger knew exactly where to walk. Before Elian could follow, the figure vanished again. He hurried toward the end of the ridge. At the ridge's end, a stone gate rose through the mist. The route led him beneath the ancient stones. Inside the gate, someone had hidden a message. The box held a photograph connected to his father's expedition. A bronze badge carried the name Northbound Survey Team. Then the stranger appeared on the road ahead. The bear had guarded only its forest. The stranger ahead was guarding a secret.